Hello, class. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you are fine and studying well at your homes. Studying now, everyone? Yes, very good. Should study daily 1 hour. Yes, and do your homework also carefully. So, we have completed grammar up to third chapter. Today we'll start main course book. So, everyone, open this book. Clear? Now, we'll see the third chapter of our main course book. Okay, now open the third chapter, everyone. Okay, the third chapter is Pinky goes for a picnic. Now you also have went to the picnic from the school, and most of them also go picnic with their family members also. Now here we'll see the Pinky is going with their family member to the picnic. Clear? So let's get to the poem, everyone. Come. Picnics are great fun. Yes. Do you agree with this line? Picnics are great fun. Yes, it is very fun. But choosing the right spot to have a picnic is important. Okay, if you go for a picnic and the spot is also not good, spot is not nice, you will not enjoy the picnic. So one of the most important work is to choose the right spot for the picnic, that where we have to go. What is your idea of a perfect picnic spot? Now you will tell here what was your idea for a favorite picnic spot. You will write the name of the picnic spot where you want to go. Clear? Now come to the story. Pinky was dozing off on the sofa. Okay, what she was doing? She was just like we sit now when we get bored. Same way she was sitting on the sofa. Her summer holidays were about to end. Okay, her summer holidays have been started and they were about to end. Means खत्म होने वाले थे. She did not want another boring weekend. Okay, she did not wanted another boring weekend too. Boring means where we just get bored, we don't want to do anything, so she doesn't wanted that weekend again. Okay, Pinky's dad, let's go for a picnic on Sunday. Now Pinky's dad told what? Let's go for a picnic. Pinky woke up with a start. Now she was sitting as a dazzling, like she doesn't have any work, and as soon as she heard that they are going for a picnic, see what did she does? She woke up with a start. She would be going for a picnic at last. That she got thought that at least my dad has thought something and will go for a picnic. Pinky's mom, pack up the basket. Prepare the food. Pack up the basket means we have to keep the important things on for the picnic, like the games, the snacks, everything we want to keep in the basket, the drinking water, and I'll prepare the food. Her mother told that she will prepare the food. Put aside the games to play. Okay, I told her to put the games, but first let's pick out the perfect picnic place. Okay, they started doing the packing, but they do not have find where they have to go. So Pinky's mom told, we will do that, but let's find a place where we have to go for a picnic. Now Pinky's brother, let's go to the zoo. Now he told one idea that let's go to the zoo. We'll see an animal or two. Now he's telling we'll go and see the animal with the chips and chocolates to eat, and we'll have the chips, chocolate to eat, and we'll enjoy watching the different types of animal. It will be a nice retreat. He told that it will be a nice retreat. Okay, a place where we can rest. Retreat means a place where we can rest. Clear? So Pinky's brother told that we can go to a zoo. Now Pinky, but there is nothing now new to see at the zoo. But the Pinky is telling what? But there is nothing new to see in the zoo. All the animals are only there. Same animals will be sitting on the zoo. So we'll not go to the zoo. Pinky's dad, let's go to the nature trail. Okay. He told that let's go to the nature trail. What does the nature trail means? Nature trail is a path through a village area. It is a path. When we go to the village, we go through some path, some road. That road only is called the nature trail. Nature trail means there will be a nature. Whenever you go to the village, your own village, you will see many nature there. In the cities, we cannot see these greenery everywhere. But when we go to the village, we can see many greeneries around us. Yes, you have noticed noticed na, you can see many greeneries around it. There are lot many of trees, plants everywhere, and the peoples also are there. We can see the sarson ka khet also there. So everything, the nature, if we want to see, we have to visit to the village, because as beautiful as nature we can see in the village, we cannot see in the cities, because the city is filled with the cars, buildings, and shops, but village is not filled with these all things. Clear? So Pinky's dad gave the option of going to the nature trail. It will be so beautiful. Okay, it is beautiful, because as we see the nature, our mind get refreshing up. Yes, we see the plants, it also helps our eyesight also to get strong, because we see the nice thing, we got to see the trees, plants, so it helps us a lot. We'll relax under the tree shades and drink lemonade. Okay, he told that we will relax under the tree shade, in the tree, मतलब पेड़ की छांव में बैठेंगे और वहाँ पे हम लोग lemonade पियेंगे. What is lemonade? It is a drink made up of lemon. Okay, so what we have seen that here Pinky's family is planning to go for the picnic. Okay, then his mother told that I'll prepare everything, but where we will go now, they have not decided the place to go. So Pinky's brother told that we'll go to the zoo, we'll see the animal and eat chips and all there itself. But Pinky told that it is so boring that we'll see again the same animals don't change, there is same animal only on that place. So Pinky's dad told we'll go to the nature trail. Nature trail means a path of the village. We'll go there and we'll enjoy sitting under the shade of the tree and drinking lemonade. Okay, now we'll see some of the word meaning. Boring, not interesting and fun. Boring means not interesting. Okay, where we get bored, where we do not enjoy, our mood is not there. Retreat, a quiet place where one can rest. Okay, what does retreat mean? It is a quiet place, means nobody will disturb you there you can have rest. Okay, when you sleep in your bedroom, nobody disturb, no? That place, same place is a retreat. Nature trail, a path through a village area. What is nature trail? It is a path through a village area. Lemonade, a drink made with the lemons. What is the lemonade? It is a drink made of the lemons. So for today we'll do up to here itself, and in the next class we'll continue with this, that we'll see what happens when she goes to the picnic. Clear? So for today this much only. Okay, study well, do your assignment on the time. Thank you for listening me. Stay safe, stay healthy at your home. Thank you.